Austin at Florida Outdoors. I'm here to give you a video of our 34J Hurricane 2016. Got the engine running currently to cool it off a little bit because it's already about 100 degrees out here. I'll show you the outside first. Do have a nice flat screen TV on the outside. Here's your outdoor kitchen. It's got this nice cover over the top, shields you from the sun. You got storage. There's your house batteries and your propane. This is more storage, all rubber bottoms so they can be hosed out, and you do have a light inside. Let's go take a look inside the cab. Just inside the door, you can see we got a couch on the right, very comfortable. The seats, the driver's seat is actually upgraded. It's a power seat, so it's very easy to maneuver. We've got a nice little dinette that converts into a bed. As you can see, there's handles. Convert this space into nice storage, very deep storage. You've got your television directly over the dinette. Above the driver is Thor's very popular, best in the industry, motorized bed. You can see with it up right now, it's completely out of view. Most people wouldn't even notice it's there. But it does hold up to 500 pounds, and it's a great place to store things as well. The front, you've got your rear view camera, rear and side view camera, touch screen. You've got your automatic leveling system to the left of your driver's chair. Heated mirrors. Got all your controls up here. This is passenger seat. Another Thor original is the desk. This is solid, so perfect for a laptop. Now looking back into the coach, you can see it's a nice open space with this very large slide on the right that's currently open. Got a good bit of counter space in the kitchen. Very nice cabinetry, lots of storage, a large residential microwave. We got a stovetop, propane, marine quality, made by Atwood. Lots of storage, all solid wood construction. On the opposite side, you've got your residential refrigerator, Whirlpool. Plenty of room. More storage for all of your food. It's a very clean look. Here's your control panel. You got your generator, all your tank readouts, your slide controls, water pump, water heater, switching from electric to gas manually if you like. Here's your and one of your lights. Get into this hallway. This is what makes the 34J what it is. These two bunks here, perfect space if you have children. If you're not using it to sleep, it also acts as a closet space where you can hang your clothing. And of course, you've got two flat screen televisions, one on each side. There's also storage underneath. Across from it, there is a place for a larger television if you wish to place one there. You've got more storage as well. And here's our nice bathroom. For a 34, there's a lot of space here in the shower. I'm a big guy, and I would definitely feel comfortable showering in the shower. It's probably, I don't know, close to 8 feet tall. Lots of room to maneuver around. The commode. And here's your sink area. Very nicely built. Last but not least, the bedroom. Queen size bed. Nice looking headboard. You got radio controls within arm's reach. You can switch your temperature on your AC without even getting out of bed. You've got speakers and LED lighting above. Nice window in the back. Lots of storage. Both sides. You can hang your clothing. Lots of storage up top. And then on your other side, you've got built-in television, another nice place window. 6 drawers the whole way across. These are deep drawers. Lots of storage in this one for clothing. And of course, another storage area to hang clothing. And also, this is the table and the leg for the table that's optional that you can put in the front, the driver's side. I'll show you where that goes. So if you have a lot of people staying with you, you've got a table for between the driver and passenger seat that these chairs can be spun around, and on top of the table here where you could seat four adults comfortably.